Leaders College, Miss Herway Philippines Region 10, and Miss Avon Philippines Region 10. Help me welcome Miss Rhoda Zaportista.
Another year round and another memorable night for a lucky lady tonight who will be crowned as Miss Lugay 2007. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, people of Lugay. I repeat, good evening, people of Lugay. Okay, so you know what? I feel very glad and excited tonight because as what I have said, I am here with you as we all together be witnessing the annual and prestigious search for Miss Lugay 2007 Braid and Beauty Pageant. Tonight, 12 young, gorgeous, and beautiful ladies will be vying for one crown, one prestigious title, the Miss Lugay 2007 that is. They will be showcasing different attires, namely the Hawaiian exotic attire, the cocktail wear, swimwear, and long gown. Not only that one, but later on the show, we will also have the chance to know some insights from our candidates during the preliminary question and answer portion. Each of the candidates will be then judged from each category, and the highest 6 candidates will surely be included in the top 6 finalists, and not to mention also the Miss Popular will be automatically be included in the top 6 finalists. And the scoring system will then be back to 0, and there will be final question and answer portion as to determine the rank of who will be the 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st runner-up, and of course, the Miss Lugay 2007. And not to mention also, there are sets of minor and major awards awaited at this moment. And to start with, the first minor award is the Miss Close-Up Smile. This award was chosen by the candidates themselves, and the most friendly among these 12 lovely candidates is no other than candidate number 1, requesting Kagawad Adul Haluk to please assist the awardee. The Miss Sally Jennings. Who do you think will be our Miss Sally Jennings? But before that, requesting Kagawad Paviliar to please assist in awarding. And our Miss Sally Jennings for tonight is